SQL or Python first. This mistake wastes months. Be honest, what did you start with? Most beginners pick wrong, and that's why they get stuck. If you start with SQL, you understand data fast. Filtering, joining, analyzing. This is what data engineers do every day. It's simple, but powerful. Now, Python is powerful, but starting here can overwhelm you. Syntax, logic, libraries, too much, too early. That's why most beginners quit here. So what should you do? Start simple or start overwhelmed. Start with SQL. Then use Python to scale. SQL is your foundation. Python is your power. Comment SQL or Python. I'll help you choose. Subscribe for real tech breakdowns.